Hi, welcome to another one of Mrs. Rodriguez's mini lesson videos. Today we're looking at the distributive property using the arrow method. So for our first example, we have 5 and then parentheses x plus 2. You need to remember that anytime you have a number next to a parentheses, that means multiplication. So this is actually saying 5 times x plus 2. Now, that means we have to multiply 5 with everything inside the parentheses. So the way that works is, I'm going to rewrite the problem again. We're going to draw an arrow from the 5 to the first thing it needs to multiply, which is x, and we get 5x. Then we're going to draw an arrow from the 5 to the second thing inside the parentheses, which is a 2. And 5 times 2 is 10. So we end up with 5x plus 10. Notice the 5 has a variable x and 10 does not. That means they are not like terms and we cannot combine them. So this is our final answer. As you can see with the arrow method, we're using arrows to keep track and make sure that the number on the outside multiplies with everything in the inside of the parentheses. Let's try the next problem. The next problem has 5 and then negative 3x plus 6. So first we're going to multiply 5 times negative 3x. That is negative 15x. And then we're going to multiply 5 times the positive 6, which is 30. The 15 has an x, the 30 does not, therefore they're not like terms and we cannot combine them, and this is our final answer. If you're having trouble remembering your multiplication rules for positive and negative numbers, please look to the right and remember 2 negatives or 2 positives, the answer is positive. It's when you have 1 negative and 1 positive together that you end up getting a negative answer. All right, and our third and last problem, we have negative 4 and then 2x minus 3y inside of the parentheses. So let's go ahead. Negative 4 times the first term equals 4 times 2 is 8, so negative 8x. And then we have negative 4 times the negative 3y. A negative times a negative is a positive. 4 times 3 is 12, so we end up with positive 12y. X's and y's are different variables, so they're not like terms and we cannot combine them. So negative 8x plus 12y is our final answer. Hope that helps. Bye.